I hope you guys are having a good morning. Well, I hope you are. And it is nice where you are. We're going to get the pan, and then we're going to make a gate. I didn't get to make it yesterday. I'll show you guys the patio. Look, there's the ladies. Come on. Come this way. Okay. Why is here so soaked? Shouldn't be soaked. But I closed it. Again, I don't know why. I don't know why the chicken run has water in it. I know I closed the sprinkler head that's in there that's meant to fill their water when they're not here, but they're gone. We have a lot going on today. We're finishing the patio that we did start yesterday and have like 95% of it done. I am going to then, so patio, 95% done, we finish it today. I'm going to hang hummingbird, hopefully hummingbird houses. I have a lot of finches this year that are hanging around. I need to get finch food so that they stop hanging on my hummingbird feeders and drinking the sugar water out of it. Need to vacuum and clean up my stove area and the hood and everything, because tomorrow we're going to brew beer. Brewing beer is a very long, drawn-out process. It's all-day event because 5 gallons of water, 6 gallons of water, takes a long time to get up to a temperature, and then you have to keep it at a certain specific temperature. And if you turn off the heat, it'll drop very rapidly, and it can go way out of range in either direction very quickly. So that's patio, bird nests, houses, vacuum. I am also, I can't believe I opened that. Also, I'm going to do a DNA test that I wanted for my birthday, that my mom got me. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, we're going to build a gate, and we're going to attempt planting more corn, and we're going to try and plant squash, like pumpkins, plants, and stuff like that. So today is going to be a very busy day, because tomorrow, brewing for me at least, and for Kevin, and it's a long day process. It's all day. So that's what we're planning on doing. How much of that will get done is another question. Here we go. Yes, sir. What's that? Girl. Okay. Pan is clean. Here's food, spoon, and now I'm gonna get my shoes on. I didn't wear them as track all kinds of stuff. Ooh. These are the houses. I'm hoping that hummingbirds nest in them and not finches or sparrows. But I'm going to hang them in some black locust trees. Here we go. Come with me. He's still teething. He's apparently having fun. He likes the sound that the mesh of his pack and play makes. So that's what he's messing with. Where's the hummingbird? Is he over there by that tree? There you go. I have a hummingbird declaring part of my yard as his territory. So yesterday was the first time that I used an actual measuring cup to deal out the chickens' feed and whatnot. So. The chickens are now getting a more exact amount of food. Let's get you guys set up. I know. Made you wait for 2 minutes. There you go. I gotta go get the old lady. Alright, let's go tell the old lady. Hi, are you becoming broody? A little bit. Go on. Hear that noise? See how she's getting all poopy? Go on. Go eat. She's becoming a little bit broody. Even though I'm collecting the eggs every day. Okay. It's weird. I have a big pocket. I can put these in. And they're really rather clean. Despite having him sit on it. There's only 2 eggs that I need to clean. I can't believe she's getting broody. I'm collecting the eggs every day. I have a pocket full of eggs. Wow. Our son is doing his with his fingers in his mouth. I already made a 6-egg omelet this morning. Huh? Oh, I wonder if I caught that at all. I picked up the 2 eggs that needed to be cleaned. With just a little spot wash. First, clean. tripod is not working out very well anymore. The tripod is not working out very well anymore because, as I stated the other day, in the vlog, though, some of the joints are really loose and some of them are not. So, just have to live with it for a while. Alright, let's go put these away. Alright, now let's fill the chicken feed. Alright, let's fill the chicken feed and then I'll show you guys the patio. Kevin, you know what? Hey is becoming broody. Even though I'm collecting the eggs every day. Isn't that strange? Here, I guess. Not gonna kill him. To get slightly underfed one day. Gotta bring him to compost too. And yes, I know. Our son is fussing. But my husband Kevin picked him up. He'll be fine. He's just grumpy. He's been up since 6. It's 10. He hasn't napped yet. So he'll be grumpy until he goes to sleep. Now, let's go show you guys the patio. Kevin's getting ready to cut some of the...
Yeah, but I can't with him out.
I know.
It's too loud.
I know. I'll go in with him in a minute. I'm just going to show the people the patio. So, this is what we accomplished yesterday. There's dirt on here because we're going to sweep it into the cracks. But this is what we accomplished yesterday. And this is all we have left. And just some wonky sections where there's funny pieces that we need to put in and stuff. And we're, after that, basically done. I think other than that, we're just going to put in more of a solid path up to the back of the patio. Probably with the other pieces of wonkiness that we don't use. And squares. Okay, so if you have a chicken that is broody, I'm about to show you what that looks like. You're gonna do, there it is! Look, a poker. This is a broody chicken. And so everybody knows and learns what happens to a broody chicken. In order to break said broody chicken, one must do something that some people may not be happy about, but it's the only way to break a broody chicken.
We still have that water thing that hangs from the door.
Oh, yeah.
You wanna use it?
That is what you do with a broody chicken. You want to know how many eggs she was guarding? I'll show you how many eggs she was guarding.
Like 6.
One!
Oh, just one.
One!
Not letting any other chickens on there.
Exactly.
Was it her egg or was it somebody
No,
else's?
it's somebody else's egg.
Ah, bad hey hey.
Hey. She's been in here before. She's been in this before. I don't know why she decided to become broody all of a sudden, but she has. She decided. I know an answer. There's a chicken right there. There's a chicken right there.
Chicken in a cage.
Why
Fried
is it?
chicken? She's like, fried chicken? Fried chicken? Why'd you put it in there?
That's what happens to a broody chicken in our yard. And this method works. We're just going to leave her in there for the rest of the day until probably the same time tomorrow. And she should hopefully be broken enough for broodiness by then. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys so that if somebody else out there has a chicken that's broody, and they don't want them to be broody because as you saw...
Explain what broody is. Broody is when they just stay on the nest because they're trying to hatch their eggs.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't want them to just stay on their nest trying to hatch their eggs because then other chickens can't get on the nest. And also they are no longer producing eggs.
Generally, yeah. And or the other reason you don't want chickens that are supposed to be laying eggs
Getting
broody is because they're supposed to be laying eggs that aren't fertilized.
Well, we don't have a rooster, so none
Yeah.
of ours ever will be.
No. Not until we have our own property.
Then we can get a rooster.
Then we can get a rooster. I'm going to breed me some chickens.
That'd be like mice. Go fast.
I know. Alright, I just wanted to share with you guys that. So I will catch you later. Oh, and let's show you.
As soon as you're ready, he wants mom.
I know.
He wants mom. It's a bright light.
He likes the camera.
Bright light. Bright light, bright light.
Big city. We're going to show everybody what Dad's accomplished without Mom because she was taking care of you.
Oh, the stones?
Yeah.
Still got a cross on.
Yeah. So if that didn't get picked up on the camera, we still have to...
Point out the charcoal lines.
Kevin.
I used from the charcoal from the fire pit.
Okay, so Kevin took charcoal from the fire pit and used it to make these lines where he's going to cut. But he got the rest of this done for the most part. Woo! What a wind! It's quite a wind. Right? This is the wind of New Mexico. The other thing that Kevin and I accomplished together was put a gate on the chicken run so that they can't come in here anymore. That was against the wall. That's all for now. I'll update you guys on the progress either tomorrow or later tonight. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below.